Welcome back to JK Auto, your ultimate destination for the most in-depth and exciting car reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and style with the 2025 Kia Syros. This next-generation marvel is all about redefining midsize SUVs, combining futuristic design, cutting-edge technology, and a promise of stellar performance. Buckle up as we explore every detail of this stunning machine. With its design, the 2025 Kia Syros commands attention right from the first glance. The front fascia is dominated by an ultra-sleek grille seamlessly integrated with LED matrix headlights, giving the car a bold and confident look. The daytime running lights feature a unique boomerang design, setting it apart in a crowd. As you move to the sides, you'll notice sculpted lines that exude athleticism, complemented by 20-inch alloy wheels with an intricate diamond-cut pattern. The rear showcases a wraparound taillight design, a subtle spoiler, and a reimagined Kia logo that adds a touch of modernity. Every inch of the exterior speaks of precision and aesthetics, making the Syros a visual masterpiece. Inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a futuristic lounge than an SUV interior. The dual-tone color scheme combines premium leather upholstery with sustainable materials, a nod to Kia's commitment to eco-friendliness. The dashboard is dominated by a curved 15-inch infotainment screen that seamlessly merges with the digital driver display. This setup provides intuitive control and sharp visuals. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the mood, while the panoramic sunroof brings an airy and open feel. Space is no concern, with generous legroom and headroom across both rows, and the rear seats can be folded flat to expand the already spacious cargo area. Convenience is further elevated with features like wireless charging, a premium 12-speaker audio system, and dual-zone climate control. Under the hood, the Kia Syros packs a punch. Depending on the variant, you get a choice between a 2.5L turbocharged engine producing 290 horsepower or a hybrid powertrain delivering exceptional fuel efficiency without compromising performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts. Driving dynamics are enhanced by an adaptive suspension system that adjusts to road conditions, providing a blend of comfort and agility. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling winding roads, the Syros delivers a confident and enjoyable drive. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Kia Syros is equipped with an array of advanced features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The autonomous emergency braking system with pedestrian detection adds an extra layer of confidence for urban drives. Pricing for the 2025 Kia Syros starts at $35,000 for the base model, with the fully loaded variant coming in at around $45,000. Given the wealth of features, premium build quality, and performance, the Syros offers excellent value for money. It competes strongly in the midsize SUV segment, giving its rivals a run for their money. So, the 2025 Kia Syros strikes a remarkable balance between style, technology, and practicality. It's a fantastic choice for those looking to invest in a next-gen SUV that doesn't compromise on any front. However, if you're someone who prioritizes off-road capability, you might want to explore other options. That said, for urban families and tech enthusiasts, the Syros ticks all the right boxes. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2025 Kia Syros. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to JK Auto for more exciting car reviews. Share your thoughts on the Syros in the comments below. Until next time, stay revved up.